So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about IDFC First Bank Share. So we know that there are few updates regarding this particular stock, especially regarding the allotment. So we know that previously when we have discussed about IDFC First Bank, we have discussed all the QIP details, what is the base price and how much amount is IDFC Bank planning to rise through QIP. So all the basic details we have discussed in previous videos, and also we have done the technical analysis. So currently we know that it is trading near 56 rupees level. So what would be the immediate targets? So we'll try to find out that as well. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before starting the video, I want to give an update regarding the stocks we are discussing from the last week. So we know that 1 week back we have discussed 3 stocks basically that we can add to our watch list, and if you're interested, you can buy those particular stocks for long term as well. So 2 of the stocks have given very good returns just in a span of 1 week. So all those updates I am posting it in the Telegram. So definitely make sure you're joining the Telegram so that any instant update regarding any stock you'll not miss, and especially if you're doing any positional trade or intraday trading, so you'll be benefited if you join the Telegram. So I'll provide the link in the description as well as in the comment section. Okay, so you have downloaded the particular document which was provided by IDFC First Bank. So you can see on April 6th, 2021, the company has released the basic details, especially regarding the allotments of the QIP. So we note that previously when we have discussed about this particular QIP, so this is not the first time the company has decided to launch the QIP. So earlier also it has done that. So basically many banks do the QIP. So when QIP allotment happens very well, definitely the stock rally that what we expect in a positive trend, so that definitely will be expected. Same in case of IDFC First Bank. We know that on March 30, 2021, so this particular issue has opened, and you can see it has closed on April 6th. So coming to who are the top allotments, so basically many allotments come. Okay, so if we see the top allotments, you can see Bajaj Alliance Life Insurance Company. So that is one of the top allotment. You can see percentage of equity share offered in the issue, that is 11.98%. After that we can say HDFC Life Insurance, City of New York Trust, and you can see BNP Paribas Arbitrage. So that also you can see 8.62%. Tata Life Insurance Company Whole Life Mid Cap Equity Fund, so that also you can see 5.83%. So top thing you can see Belly Gifford Emerging Markets Equities Fund. So those are the top 2 allotments that the company has released in the site of BSE. So if you want this particular details, you can take the screenshot, or directly you can go to the BSE website and download the documents provided by IDFC First Bank. Okay, so those were the basic updates regarding what are the various allotments that the company has received. And now if we go to the deliveries section, so clearly you can see on April 6th we have seen 29.5% deliveries have been taken, and you can see the stock has showed almost 1.8% positive movement. So previously also when we have discussed, when market especially is in correction phase, we discussed that try to add some best quality stocks. So don't think that you are risking your amount, especially when stocks are fundamentally strong, and especially when they're having a very bright future, especially in banking sector. So definitely you need to take the opportunity and you need to invest in portion. So that is what we have discussed, and also we have discussed basic fundamentals of IDFC First Bank. So starting from 25 rupees level, so we have discussed to hold this particular stock but not to do any sort of selling. Okay, so we can see on day-to-day wise, if we compare deliveries, you can see on April 5th we have seen 31.9%. Again we can see on April 6th little decrease was there, but nevertheless today it has given very good movement. So top allotments have been received. So ultimately we know stock also was expecting a huge rally, so that was not being generated because market was also little volatile. Bank Nifty, especially if you're doing any options trading, so you might be knowing how it is fluctuating. Volatility is at its peak, so that's why it will become for the stock to sustain the level. So that's why heavy fluctuations will be present. Okay, Okay, so we're back on to the technical chart. So ultimately, what is the target, what is the support and resistance? So that only matters. So if we see currently it is trading near 56.50 and you can see almost it is positive with 2.17%. So clearly you can see the stock has been respecting the green color line. So what is that? 50-day exponential moving average. So that is coming out to be near exactly near 56.50. So there only the stock is trying to close above that particular level. So that is going to be very important. So if it closes above that, then definitely you will be seeing some extraordinary movement in the coming sessions as well. So next you can see a pivot point is present near the 57.5 region. So that is going to be the next immediate resistance, so followed by the 60 rupees level is going to be the ultimate resistance. So if it crosses that, then definitely it will start its journey and it will retrace to its 66 and 67 rupees level. Okay. So those are the basic resistances. So coming to support wise, you can see 55 rupees region is going to be very important support that you need to watch out, followed by you can see money flow index. Also it has gone to oversold region and now it is trying to retrace and go up. So that is again a positive note on technical basis. Okay, so this is what we are discussing on 1-day chart. So let's go to even 1 week chart. Okay, so in 1 week chart also you can see the same things. The stock was facing resistance near the 70 rupees level. So when it was facing the resistance, so ultimately it has corrected and you can see it has come down and it was taking the support near the pivot. So where is that pivot point? Clearly you can see it is near the 55 rupees level. So there only you can see a very good wicks have been formed and stock has been respecting that and a good buying was seen at that particular levels. So immediately you can see 60 61. So that is next immediate resistance on weekly basis. So definitely, so this particular week is going to be very crucial, followed by the coming sessions as well. So definitely if you are getting a chance, try to accumulate it as much as you can at that particular level. So enter in small quantity, let's say 4,000 5,000. Again you can average, so don't think that stock will go away. So nothing will happen. Try to average. Ultimately fundamentals of the stock as well as how much percent return you're expecting, so that only matters. And also you can see a crossover type is going to happen, that is 200-day moving average as well as 50-day moving average are coming closer. So when they come closer, so what is that? It is a bullish indication. And when a small day moving average is crossing a large day moving average, that is a bullish indication. So clearly we discussed all these things in our previous videos as well. So definitely you will be learning some very good technicals if you watch the video completely. And money flow index, you can see that is near 70 and it has come little down after traveling in the overbought region. Okay, so everything is looking pretty good. So try to buy at the levels which you have discussed, and if you're already holding, definitely hold for the long term. Okay, so the basic details regarding top allotments and the company details, everything we have discussed, whatever it is released in the BSE website. And make sure you're joined in the Telegram group so that any instant updates regarding any stock will be posted. So further, if you're having any queries, you can message me in the comment section. Also in Instagram you can message me. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So there also you can clarify your doubts. So until then, take care. Bye bye.